Okay, so you're going to a private money lender. What is the private money lender looking at you for? What do you, why are you going to lend me money?
Right.
Like, how does that work? How do you impress a private money lender that he's going to say, absolutely, I want to work with you?
And it's funny, you don't impress us. Nothing impresses us.
Okay.
So really what we look for is, if you think about what I do as a private money lender is it's pretty simple. I'm vetting a deal, I'm vetting an individual person, and I'm writing a check, and I expect to get a bigger check back, right? Mm-hmm. I'm not painting the place, I'm not making cabinet decisions or countertop decisions.
Okay.
I'm looking at a deal. Is it profitable? Is the market good? I'm looking at you. How's your credit? Is it decent? How is your income? If you're making $4 an hour and you're buying $1 million place, it makes no sense. But if you inherited $2 million, it totally makes sense.
We can talk, yeah.
So we're looking at common sense, your ability to pay back and your ability to perform. If you've never done a flip before and you're in a trade, you're a chiropractor, it's one way of looking at a situation, a deal. If you've never done a deal before, but you're a contractor, it's a very different scenario, right?
Okay.
So what we do is, I always say it's common sense. We have an underwriting process in-house, we call it EPIC. What's your experience? I want to know about the property. I want to know your income. I don't care about tax returns, but I want to look at your bank statements because they reveal how much you're really making. I want to look at your credit. I want to look at how much cash, and I want to make sure there's no criminal background.
Ooh.
So, so criminal being,
I just can't imagine. I never even thought about that.
Felony. So in certain states, drunk driving is a felony. I'm not worried about that. Some states, having a marijuana possession is a felony. I'm not worried about that.
Right.
But I am worried about insurance fraud, mortgage fraud, credit card fraud.
Absolutely.
Right? If someone's committing financial fraud, that means I'm just the next sucker in line.
Oh boy. Okay.
So
no, of course not. That makes perfect sense. Okay, good. That's very helpful. Thank you.
So it's very simple, and it's a very simple, straightforward process.
Thank you. That's perfect.
You're very welcome.